Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to share some passive income ideas with no investment to start. So I'm going to show you how to make some money online. And I know some of you probably wondering, is this passive income real? Some of you know that it's real. Some of you have never experienced it. Most of you probably don't have a passive income. So that's why you're probably watching this video. So if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and just create different ways and share my ideas with you. So most things that I talk about on this channel, I actually do myself. So I'm going to share with you some passive income ideas. Is this something that is real? Can you make money by doing absolutely nothing? And the answer is yes. However, you need to put some work in first before you can actually see that return. So think about this for a second. If you start let's say you invest some money and over time it's going to grow, that's what you call passive income. And passive income is having something working for you that's going to generate you income time and time after. Time and time again. Why did I say time and time and after? Anyways, time and time again. So it's something that you're going to do consistently. So if you're in for a treat and you want to learn, I'm going to share with you some ideas and ways how you can do this. So if you have time, this is something that's going to work for you. Most of you probably think that this thing is going to happen overnight. No, it's not. I'm going to show you how to dominate this space and how you can start by doing what I share with you today so you can start taking action right after this video. So this is my YouTube channel. If you like videos like this, consider liking, subscribing. Make sure that you give this a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you have passive income or you thought about it and you just didn't have any ideas. Now, what I'm going to share with you is a website that is called Medium.com. So Medium.com is a great website. I did speak about this on my channel, but what I didn't tell you that this can give you passive income. And once you have this going on, it can work for you. Now, you do not need any money for Medium.com. As of shooting this video today, I don't know what's going to happen later on. I don't know what's going to happen in the next 4 or 5 years from today, but shooting this video, you do not need any money. So once you create an account on here, all you have to do is start writing content. Now, if you're not good at writing, I totally understand, because even when I just started, I was like, this thing takes a lot of time. So where can I get ideas and how can I get started? Now, there is a website that is called Answer the Public, and you can get a ton of ideas. Now, I'm going to come back to that in just a little bit. Now, I did talk about you can get free traffic, but what I didn't tell you that they have a great program that you could get money from. So Medium Partner. So you could place and publish your best work, and the internet should reward you quality thinking. So it's not clickbait. This is not clickbait. We believe ideas are worth something. So you could join their program, and how it works. You write something good, you put your story to work, and the recommended readers or people are going to have interest in it, and you earn from your work and you get paid monthly and you enhance your audience. So you could get paid over and over again just by writing. Now, I know most of you probably heard of blogging and all that type of stuff. And blogging takes a lot of time. It takes time, it takes energy just to get it going. And most blogs, they don't even get fruition until, let's say, 4 to 5 years from now. So why would you want to wait 4 or 5 years before it starts to kick in? Yeah, if you want to wait, you could do that. This will start to give you traffic, and you can start to get some traction right away. So it's simple, it's easy to use, and it's free from ads. Now, to create a post, all you got to do is just click on the story section, and you can write about, let's say we're going to use Amazon, because Amazon is a great place, and you could sign up for their affiliate program. So you sign up for the affiliate program, and once you sign up for it, you can again receive a link. So let's say you want to talk about this Kindle, and you don't know what to write. If you look down here, there is always some information and points about that actual Kindle. So what you want to do, you want to go over to answerthepublic.com and you want to type in Kindle. So if you type in the word Kindle and you ask a question, you'll see what people are searching for. So people are searching for these type of words. So hang on a second, it's loading. So these are things that you can write about. Why Kindle not charging? Why Kindle not working? Why Kindle is bad? Why Kindle is paperwhite? Why? So stay with me, stick with me throughout this video. So you can get topics and ideas from this place. So if you come here, you can see a ton of different things that people are searching for. Yes, this is what people are searching for. Comparison, Kindle versus this, Kindle versus that, all that type of stuff. So you get where I'm going from. Now, let's say you want to do Southwest. We've got a flight coming up soon. All right. So if you scroll down here, you could see this. So let's say you want to write about Kindle. Okay. And Kindle ebooks, you can get an entire sentence about Kindle ebook. So you could come on here and you can see Kindle versus iPad. And let's go up here and just find a good one. So we're going to find more of like a sentence. All right. How Kindle Unlimited works. You could also go to Google and you could search for that. So how Kindle Unlimited works. Right. So you can write the headline, you can start writing your story, okay? You can also add a picture. You can add a picture right here. You can get a picture. Let's say, let me just try to get a picture just for the sake of this video. So you can get a picture. You can put a picture on there, right? You can add links. You can add affiliate links on here as well, which is super cool. So you can add affiliate links. And once you do that, then it's going to be golden. So you get your affiliate link. You can write about Kindle. You can write the do's, the don'ts, the advantages, the disadvantages, and just start writing. So you can go on Google, start writing. Here's the beauty about this. You can make money both ways. You can make money from the affiliate, and you can also make money just from writing here on Medium. A lot of people don't use this, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to take off pretty soon. And then guess what? They're probably going to charge for it. As I said, for right now, as shooting this video, it's absolutely free, but it could work. So that's one idea that you could do. Start writing about different, not Kindle, but different ideas. It could be electronics. It could be books. It could be, you know, affiliate programs such as like, not ebooks, but like health, weight loss, all the type of stuff. You can start writing about that. So that's one way that you could do it. The next thing that you could do, that you can do passive income without no investment to start, you can start by creating YouTube videos. So if you create YouTube videos, you can make videos. Now, a year from today, you're going to look back and you're going to start. So you could start to create videos. It could be around your niche. It could be fitness. Let's say you want to go into fitness. So if you go to fitness, you can go to the fitness section and you can start to do that. But here's a good thing. What if you are afraid of the video and you're afraid of the camera and you do not want to create videos? Now, if you want to make a YouTube channel, you could do that. I'm not quite sure how strict they are right now, but they're very lenient. You can create a channel of compilation and all the videos to get started. So if you click on the filter tab, you can click on Creative Commons. And Creative Commons, meaning that you can use these videos on your channel as well. So this was posted 2 days ago. I took the US Army fitness test without practice. So this guy posted this 2 days ago. Look at this, over 122,000 views. Now, he's giving you the rights to reuse these videos. So you could download these videos. If you click on this particular video, you can see, let me see if he's actually monetizing this. So if I click on here, let's see if he has some links. Yes, he's got his program going on. So fitness program. So he's making a little bit of money there. He's making money there. He's making money there. So it's a good way to start. So everyone's out here judging Steve like they could do better, you know, stuff like that. people like controversy. So you could re-upload his video because he gave the right that you can reuse it. So what I would do, I would change the thumbnail. I'll click on here and re-upload the video, put it up. I would change it, and I would say, guy failed epic US Army fitness test. Something like that. Eye-catching thumbnail, do all that kind of stuff. So once you do that, now this is going to start to kick in. It's going to get views. Again, you can also insert an affiliate link down here. Here's why passive income is great, because once this starts, and let's say a year from today, you start making money, you start placing ads on your YouTube channel, you can start to make a little bit of money here and there. But that's the good thing. A lot of people think that passive income is not real and you cannot make money without money. Yes, you can. I just showed you two methods. However, it's going to take time. It's going to take a lot of work. So if you're not willing to put in the work, I'm telling you, my friend, this is definitely not for you. So I hope you enjoy that video. So that was passive income ideas with no investment to start. So if you like videos like this, like, subscribe, go to andremilleronline.com, see what I'm working with. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.